I've been working with a lot of students the last few weeks on just basic pivot movements, little weight shift and rotation. And the drill that we're doing is without a club, I'm getting in my golf stance, just nice and athletic, letting my arms just hang from my shoulders. And it would be 6 steps, right? It'd be, this is 0. 1 would be, I'm taking my fingers up to one to my shoulder, my left middle finger to my shoulder, my right middle finger to my hip. And all I'm doing is using these as another point of contact for feel. So if I start at 0 and I go 1, 2, I rotate, 3, I have a nice little bump into my left, 4, I'm rotating my body all the way to where I'm posting up to impact. 5, I'm just letting my left arm just hang down from my shoulder. 6, I'm bringing my right hand into where impact would be. So it's 0, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It gets me all the way to impact. So it's increasing my range of motion with my rotation. It's educating the parts on my turn, my change of direction, my posting up, and then just getting me familiar with where my impact would be. So if I were to grab a club, it's not going to be 6 steps. I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, getting back to impact. Just so this stuff I can do at home, especially for you guys up in the Midwest in the snow, you can't play in the winter. It's getting familiar with movement of body and getting the rotation, feeling the weight shift, getting me to turn. I'll see a lot of this movement of the turn will be, they'll go 1 and there'll be a shift where this hip moves back. I'm simply getting to here and then feeling my rotation here. And then 2, I'll see a lot of this movement where the whole upper body goes towards the target. I want to simply, it'll feel like I'm sitting and turning, but it's very subtle that I go forward. I'm not moving my upper body towards the target. I'm just going down. And then I rotate and it's posting up on this left side. That takes my left arm to where it should be at impact, adding my right hand to it so I feel where my arms would be. If I were to be here, there would be impact. If I were to grab a club, set up at address and go to impact, looks something like that. So we educate the parts, we increase the range of motion. If you do that over and over, and you can send me videos to see if you're doing it correctly, and I'll add a little bit or take something away. So we get you dialed in with how the body moves. If you do that over and over, it increases the familiarity of how the rotation and the weight shift works. Hope you enjoy.